Make a great choice today with 2012 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.